Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Dawson with me. This is DeeAnn's little guy. Well, big guy now. Anyway, we are going to be putting foils in the top of his hair so he can go really, really blonde. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to take a section here in the front. Alright, I use Goldwell bleach, okay, and it's a blue bleach, which counteracts any gold, and I used 40 volume because I want it to lift 4 levels. Okay, I'm going to come in, I'm doing kind of a medium, you can see that's more of a medium weave right there, and then I just put my foil over my comb, and I hold this foil down and the hair with my fingers, okay? And then I just put this on. You know, get up as close as you can to the edge of the foil, but remember that the bleach will swell a little bit, so you don't want to get it too close to the edge. I mean, and that will come with practice, obviously, but you don't want to get it like so close to the edge that it swells and it makes tiger stripes in there. Okay, I'm going to make another little section right behind it. Okay, then I hold this hair up. Again, I put the foil over the comb, stick it down, and then hold that with my fingers. Okay, then I'm just going to fold these sides over, not out of his face. Okay, the next little section. You want to make sure the sections are not too thick, because then you won't be able to get the foil down as close. Does that make sense? So it'll look like there's regrowth already. So the littler the section is, the better result you will have. Okay, and then I want to show you guys just a little trick that I notice when I do it. Okay, so these foils are going here, right? So if I was to do that all the way back, there's going to be just a tiny bit of hair right here, so it'll kind of be a line. You don't want that. Okay, so we're going to do a foil, and this section I'm doing very thin, and I will show you why in just a second. Because remember, the thinner the section, the better result you will have. Okay, this way, okay, instead of doing it more medium, I'm going to do it more fine just on this side. Okay, because I want this color to be right on this line, so you don't have a dark line, if that makes sense. So it's very, very fine, and you can see it is right up to that line. Okay, now I'm going to do it right here in this back area. Again, I'm doing it a little bit more fine, but I want it right on that line. Okay, now I'm going to come back up to the front. Sorry, buddy. Okay, I'm taking it and, whoa, never mind. That one went flying. Okay, take another little section here. I'm going to hold this straight up the hair. 40 volume for the bleach, so it will lift at 4 levels. He wants to be pretty blonde, so that's going to be fun. All right. You can see I hold the foil down with my 2 fingers on the side. Okay, now on this side, this is shorter over here, so I'm going to put a little foil over on this side, just so there's some blonde on the side. Just in these shorter pieces. And I'm going to just cut my foil in half. Just because the hair is so short, you don't want the heaviness of the foil, just because the hair is so short. So you just want it light so the weight doesn't move the foil. So yeah, this is kind of tedious where the hair is short. You know, depending on how short it is, if it's like extremely short, you're not going to want to put the color on it because it'll look like just a dot, a blob, so you don't want to do that. But if there's a tiny bit of length, and I will show you the length, you guys can see that, it's about 1 inch long. So anything shorter than that, I don't think I would color, just because it might look splotchy. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to continue with foils back here, and then I will do just a couple of the little foils right here, and then we will be set. So anyway, I don't want you to have to watch all of this, but that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to continue back like I have, and then we will show you the results when we're done. So have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Have a good day. See ya.